Let's create a TikTok video animated, voiced, and ready to go using FreePix AI tools. Start by selecting a model that fits your concept or go with auto quality, or auto fast for quick setup. Choose a starting and ending image. That's how you define the transformation. Now write your prompt. Make sure to include the 3D animation transition. Set how long the video should last, then click Generate to create it. Click on Video Tools and add lip sync. This will align your audio to the animation. Pick a voice that fits your content. Then write your script or upload your own audio. Click Apply Lip Sync to sync everything perfectly. Finally, use the Upscale tool to enhance the quality and get your video ready to share.
Yep, this was made with AI. Pretty cool, right? The best part? It even pulls off that 3D style transition. And yeah, all of it in just a few clicks.